Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a RAM 512 into 8432, okay, OKI 8432 printer. So you can see the RAM originally from factory is on the RAM, so it's 256, yeah, 256. So now we are going to install another 512 RAM into the printer. Okay, so let's see. We are going to turn it off, shut it down, the printer. Okay, I'm show you now. Okay, before you install, please turn off all the printer and unplug the power cable from the source. Okay, push it up and so okay, that's it, and fix it back. Okay, now we're going to try to see the RAM whether is everything installed. Okay, we switch on back the printer. Press menu and we go to configuration and system and the RAM. So you can see there is 768 MB has been installed. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe. This to you technologies. Thank you.